In this video, I'm going to show you how to flip image in Photopea. To begin, open your project in Photopea. If you are working with a single image and want to flip it, first make sure that its layer is selected in the Layers panel on the right-hand side of your screen. The flip action will only apply to the selected layer. Once the correct layer is active, go to the top left corner and click on the Edit option. From the drop-down menu, hover your mouse over Transform. A side menu will appear where you will see the options Flip horizontally and Flip vertically. Choose the option you need. For example, if you select Flip horizontally, your image will instantly flip from left to right. If you choose Flip vertically, it will flip upside down. Now, let's say you are working on a project that contains multiple images, such as one image in the background and another placed in front. If you only want to flip one specific image, it is very important to select the correct layer from the Layers panel before applying the transformation. If you do not see the Layers panel on your screen, click on Window at the top and make sure Layers is enabled. After confirming that the correct layer is selected, again go to Edit, hover over Transform, and choose either Flip horizontally or Flip vertically. Only the selected layer will be flipped, while the other layers will remain unchanged. This method gives you full control when working with multiple elements in the same project and ensures that you only modify the specific image you intend to edit. And this is how you can flip image in Photopea.